been handling your work very recently, and we have seen with a lot of hard work, we have seen that we are seeing good progress in your account. So we have just a few questions. What problems or challenges were you facing when you needed our product or service, when you needed our PPC service?
So initially, when we started Google Ads, right, we thought it was something really easy and something that we could easily figure out. However, after we just started adding on things, or just beginning with ads, we realized that that's something that I'll not be able to do. It's actually a full-time job that needs an expert or a professional to really who really knows every nook and corner of it, because it's quite complicated to do it by myself. So that's where you came in, and I contacted you guys because I really needed professional help to get that boost out of the money that I was spending, to really get more out of what I'm spending. I really needed an expert to run my ads for me.
Right. So Siddharth, just for a quick introduction for our viewers.
Yeah, I can't hear you.
For just a quick introduction, please tell us about your industry. I mean, you are into Canvaso.com is your website, and it deals in
So I'm one of the co-founders of Canvaso.com. We are an art and craft supplies company. We supply almost everything in art and craft, and we are based out of Mumbai. We're fairly new. You can call us a startup because we are actually fairly new, and we are only concentrating on e-commerce as of now. So we're trying to make it our forte, and to really be in this space and to be competitive in this space, social media and Google are something that are they are the backbone of my store. Since my store does not have a digital presence, it does not have a physical presence. Social media and Google is what I have to display every day.
Right. Okay. So why did you choose to go ahead with our campaign management services, PPC specially?
So when I initially spoke to you, right, more often it is the people, it is the right people who I like to work with. In it, the first conversation, everything from the first conversation was pretty much positive for us. Your company was able to provide us services that we were looking at in a person who would want to run our Google Ads for us for marketing purposes. And you had the relevant experience. I mean, you have had clients in the past for whom you've given these services, and that's what was that's what worked for us.
All right. Okay, thank you. And so, what was the result that you saw after doing business with us?
So after doing business with you, we realized that there were a lot of ways that our Google Ads could be run. Different products, the ads on different products can be done in a lot of different ways. The same size fits all doesn't really work. There are some brands that need more importance, there are other brands that need less importance. There are some brands on which some products, I wouldn't say brands, but products, some products need more importance, the others need lesser importance. And you helped us categorize everything. And we now we realize how much we're spending, where we're spending, is it really worth it, spending on a particular product based on sales. So now we actually have analysis and data based on which we can run our future campaigns. So that was something that was very helpful for me.
Right. So we have started with product shopping ads. We have started with product shopping ads, and then we are exploring PPC, and we'll soon be exploring SEO services also. And
yes.
Would you like to mention about conversion tracking and ROS? What changes have you seen after we have started working for you?
So we've seen an improved ROAS in our campaigns. However, we are still fairly new, and we are seeing that improvement. However, I want to see it go further. And that constant push for optimization will always be there from our end also. and the support that I'm getting on your end, for that constant optimization, that's really helpful.
Right. And so we are currently at 4.3 campaign level ROAS and 5.8 on one of the campaigns, which has good scope to scale up and obviously in an optimized manner. Right. All right, Siddharth. And would you like to continue doing business with us, and why?
Yeah, most definitely. I'm happy with your services. You're available when I really need your help. Any changes or any impromptu decisions that we make, we are able to convey to you, and you are able to implement it on time. And that's what really matters.
So team support has been good from overall everyone.
Yeah. So the communication overall has been perfect. Your team is always a call away, and the decisions that are taken, the changes that are made are really quick, the way they actually need to be in a firm that's continuously evolving. So that's really helpful for us.
All right, Siddharth. And would you like to recommend our services to your friends, and why?
Yeah, most definitely. I'm really happy with the services. I'm continuing with you guys, so I might as well recommend my friends.
All right, Siddharth. Yeah, that's a lot, and thank you for your taking time out and giving us a testimonial.
You're welcome.